Here I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to hard reset the following device. So at the very beginning you have to switch it off by tapping on power key and holding it for about 2 or 3 seconds. And now just slide down to power off. Once it's off, you have to enable the recovery mode, so you have to tap on power key and volume down key all together, unless you see the OPPO logo. Here it is. And just within one moment you will be in recovery mode, which will allow you hard reset your device. Now you can navigate in this mode, in recovery mode, in 2 ways. So you can either tap on volume up and volume down keys and then select each option by tapping on power key, just like that. Or you can simply tap by your finger on the preferable option. So in that case, in order to perform a hard reset, you have to tap on wipe data and now select format data. Tap over here and now you have to confirm it because this operation cannot be undone. All your user information will be deleted, so there will be no personal data after performing this reset. But if you are sure, just tap on OK and wait until your device performs this format. And that's it. Formatting the data partition success. Tap on OK and now your device will turn itself off and then automatically turn on, but you will have no user data in it as you format all of this. And that's it. Now you can set up your device from the scratch. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.